Hey everyone, my name is Len and you are very welcome on my channel. Today I'm very excited to announce that I finally got the one and only Mcflytrap from the G3 Monster High line. So today we're going to be unboxing her, and that was a crazy story of how I was trying to get her because she was always out of stock on Amazon, and in Europe she's not even out yet. And I've tried searching on different websites, but the delivery would be too much. And I stumbled upon new Amazon listing, and I was lucky enough to get her. I actually paid a lot for the delivery. It turned out to be a good price after all. I'm very happy because first when I saw her, I was so excited about her. I was in love with her hair, her outfit, and generally her redesign. It was so cool to see her and to see more diversity in Monster High. She's finally here, and let's do a review. So the box is the typical Monster High G3 box. It's mostly plastic. We have Venus and Julian's art right here, Monster High written right here. Behind we can see Venus' full-length art and a bit about her. Let's get her out. So I finally got her out and she's so gorgeous, just amazing. Her hair is so cool to the touch. Venus in this generation has a darker skin. Even G1 and G2 it was a lighter green, now it's darker. She still has leaf ears, but this time they are more prominent. Now the plants on her legs are not just additional accessories, but they are actually printed and molded into her legs. This was it with comparing Venus to the previous generations. Of course, this generation doesn't look very similar to the first one. I think this is a completely different doll, but it shows Venus' character so well. The biggest change, of course, was her hair, and now it's in a protective hairstyle. It's basically many locks. The right side of her hair is braided. It goes around her scalp, so this part is actually molded into her head. She also has a print of baby hairs, and I personally love the baby hair edition in G3. Her hair is still in her original colors, which are pink and green, but the pink is more evident. She also has, I'm not sure if it's a hair clip or it's just a part of her hair, but we will say this is a hair clip because, I mean, you can take it off. It has some fly traps on it and some pink monster flowers, and the flowers actually have fangs. Her makeup is mostly pink. She has pink lipstick and she has pink eyeshadows. And she also has a bit of yellow eyeshadows in her eye corners. Her eyebrows are green. She's wearing a set of jewelry which goes very well together because it's all silver. I love personally silver jewelry. Is just something more exquisite for me rather than golden accessories. She's wearing similar earrings. They are symmetrical. They are basically some silver hoops with monster plants, those that we saw on the hair clip, and it has some spikes and some plants. She's also wearing a necklace. It's also spiked, and it also has a flower with fangs. And in addition, she's wearing a silver belt which also has fangs on it. It has the flower, but it's of a green color. The belt itself is chains, and the chains are covered in some kind of plant. As for her outfit, I think it's very well thought, and I really like the balance of color, which G3 kind of struggles with. She's wearing jean shorts. They also have some prints on them, which are some peace signs and some plants. Her top actually has two parts. The bottom part is a mesh top, which is green with purple and pink lines, and they are also imitating plants. And the top part of her t-shirt says nature. It's black, It has also some plant and flower prints on it. The lace around the top is of a deeper green color. Now moving on to her legs, we have some socks or stockings, I'm not sure how to call that, but they are asymmetrical. One of them is ripped, it's black and it has some holes in it. And the other one is mesh, just like her top. It's also black and it's shorter. She has some additional plant accessories on her boots, which we've seen in previous generations as well, but this time they are of a deeper green color. She's also wearing boots that are grayish going into pink. The platform is imitating some teeth. They kind of remind me of Julian from the first generation. And the teeth are of a green color, which matches her skin tone. Props to Mato for making this doll look so good. Now moving on to the accessories that Venus includes. First of all, we have Julian, which is her pet. He is sitting in a pot and he is some kind of hybrid between a cat and a plant. I'm sure there is some lore explanation about that, but the only thing I know about him in this generation that he's actually disabled. So that's why Venus carries him around in the pot, and you can take him out of the pot. Speaking of carrying Julian around, we have a bag which is specifically for Julian to be placed in so that Venus can carry him around. The bag is see-through blue color. It has some stickers on it, like a Monster High sign with a tree, beast sign with Venus' hand and Venus' heart. Venus also includes a bottle which has a print of Monster High skulls and some strawberries. Another accessory that I really like is this bottle of hairspray. As she has a productive hairstyle, it makes sense for her to have a hairspray. It basically shows us a beautiful art of Venus on the bottle. The spraying thing is imitating a plant. Of course, we have a snack which says bite. I'm assuming it's some kind of an echo snack because it's Venus. Venus's phone is pretty much the same as all the other goals, but this time it has a different phone case. Everyone does, and it's green. It has a Mcflytrap. We also get a notebook which you can open and read that it's a botany notebook. You can open it and see that there are some claws on the notebook, and someone took a bite from this notebook. I'm assuming this was Julian. The last thing that Venus includes is a pair of glasses. They're pink. They're kind of see-through. They have some plants on both sides. They also have a plant going all around the glasses. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I was super excited to film it, and I'm super excited to have this Venus in my collection. For now, she might be my favorite Jeffrey doll. If you liked this video, feel free to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, leave a like under this video. This was 𝆪verse, and bye bye!